Hello guys, how y'all doing? I really like bubble wraps. I think the main purpose of this is a stress reliever. It's very satisfying to just pop this. I even have a calendar made out of bubble wraps. And in today's video I want to see what happens if you put bubble wraps into the microwave. I have different sizes here, very small ones and the large ones. My assumption is it's probably just gonna melt, but I'm very interested to see what happens to the air in these bubbles. Will they actually start popping or just melt away? Well, one way to find out. Let's check it out. I'm gonna cut them into pieces because they're not gonna fit into the microwave. Alright, there you go. I'm gonna put them on the plate in such a way that they can actually move around. Well, let's see what happens. Well, let's check it out. Ooh, it's hot inside. Look at that, some are actually stuck. Ooh, this plate is so hot, but air pockets are all intact, and the small ones as well. Okay, let me try to get it out. Ooh, okay, those on the bottom just kind of melted. Check this out, this one was on the bottom. Half of it actually melted and half is intact. Look at the plate, you can see all these melted parts. Let's see if the air in them is actually hot. No, not really actually. Let's see these ones. You know, the microwave is super hot over here. Looks like it was actually cooking itself instead of bubble wraps. I'm actually quite surprised that nothing really happened to bubble wraps. I was even ready with my fire extinguisher. I thought it's gonna melt at least, but I was hoping these air pockets will actually start popping inside the microwave. But it didn't happen. It's very satisfying. Well, now we know what happens if you put bubble wraps into the microwave. Don't do this at home even though nothing happened, but the microwave is very hot. It's still actually hot. The reason nothing happened because microwaves react with water and air pockets have no water, and that's why they were not affected by microwaving. Well, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.